Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit text in an image in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Canva. Sign into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click on Custom Size. Set the design size to 500 by 500 pixels, then click Create Design. In the Canva editor, click on the Uploads option from the left side panel. Upload the image that contains the text you want to edit. After the image is uploaded, click on it to add it to the editing canvas. Now select the image, then click on the Edit Photo option from the top toolbar. On the left side, you'll see the Magic Studio section. From there, click on Grab Text. Canva will automatically detect and extract the text from the image. Once the text is extracted, you can edit it, change the wording, or format it however you like. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.